Hello everyone, welcome to our exercise today where we are going to draw this particular bulb in AutoCAD. So the first thing is to make sure that we're drawing in the drafting and annotation workspace, and we'll begin off right away with this particular rectangle measuring 24 by 21. So I'll come to rectangle, click on one point, then type in 24, tab 21, and enter. I'll zoom out a bit, then I'll move my origin to this point. So after having that, sorry, I'm going to have a line at this point, but I'm going to offset it at a distance of 6 units. So I'm going to have a line going downwards. Make sure my ortho is on. The same one having an offset of 6. So I'm gonna copy this from that to that. Then afterwards, I'm going to find my two center lines. The first one, 60 from this point, then 33. So I'm going to draw a center line at this point. Then I'm going to move it so that it fits the center of the rectangle. Then I'm going to offset it at a distance of 60. Enter the first one. Then again, set the next one on distance of 33. Such. Then I'm going to find the vertical center line. So it runs from that going downwards. Enter. After having that bottom center line, I'm going to draw this curve or a circle of radius 48. So I'm going to come to circle, center radius from this point, a radius of 48. Enter. Next, I'm going to have a line here so that I can have the two fillets of radius 6. So I'm going to have a line from this point to this point, and I'm going to fillet them with a radius of 6. So I'll click on the first point, the second point. So do the same for this, the first point, the second point. So thereafter it means that this will have finished the business, so delete. Same to this, delete. Thereafter, I'm going to come back and find this circle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to offset this line on the right hand side, a distance of 48. So I'm going to offset this the distance of 48 because as you can see it flashes with it. So from here I'm going to offset to the right a distance of 48. So offset 48, enter from this point to that point. So it means that this is the point where I'm going to draw another circle, the radius of 48. Enter. So there is how it appears. Then for these two, this and this, they should join at a radius of 18. So I'm going to come to fillet, enter the radius as 18. Then click on this, click on this. So afterwards, I'm going to trim the excesses. So I'll start with this, and this, enter. Then I'm going to mirror these curves. So enter from the center line, and erase the source object. Then when I'm at that, you also come do some fillets at this point, this point, this point. Enter. Then I'm going to do away with this geometry and do away with the mid center line. So as you can see, that is how we needed it. We'll do a zoom window for this particular drawing. So that is how the question wanted it. So we can annotate it as well by coming to annotate. Then let's just see how we need our text height. Text height of 4 units is good. So annotate, then we make changes to the standard dimension style. We'll modify it, and we'll modify the texts to 4 units, symbols and arrows to, let's say, 2 units, primary units to 0 units, then okay, then we'll close. So from here, this button we can do linear dimension, as you can see from this point and this point. Make sure our snap is on from this point. We can do other dimensions such as, let's say, the radius. Let's say the radius of this fillet, as you can see. We can do the length, the width, and this point, and so on and so forth. So you can also do maybe a radius at this point, and so on and so forth. So that is the way you can come up with that from this easy exercise. Thank you for watching. Thank you for following me through. Make sure to subscribe for more tutorials on AutoCAD for preparation for exams. Thank you.